I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, Jessica here. I'm excited to share my travels with you. And today we're going to explore Barr Beach in Salvador, Brazil. The sand is inviting and the sea is calm. This is the ultimate destination for aquatic adventure, from swimming, stand-up paddle boarding, and more. Don't forget to click like and leave your comments below if you're enjoying our tour. Let's take a look around and enjoy the views. As we walk along the sand, there is no mistaking why Salvador is known as the Smiling South. Everywhere we go, we are welcomed with friendly smiles and many small surprises along the journey. From palapa-style restaurants to beach vendors, there is plenty to admire and explore. Let's take it all in. As we reach the coastline, the sun's rays sparkle over the gentle waves rolling onto the beach, creating a kaleidoscope of colors. Take a look up and you can't help but appreciate the breathtaking sunrises and sunsets in Salvador. This is nature at its best, a beautiful reminder of how lucky we are to experience such amazing places. The ocean breeze refreshes your senses as you take a nice stroll around the area. The Caravelas River flows eastward into the Atlantic, and you can spot marine wildlife such as dolphins and turtles in these waters. It's the perfect combination of sun, sea, and sand, a place for you to while away the hours in perfect harmony. Head inland and you'll find yourself immersed in culture and friendly locals. The city of Salvador is a wonder. From the vibrant colors of its historic architecture to its vibrant streets, it's truly an amazing place. The cobblestone lanes and charming markets never disappoint. The coastline and its seaside towns are delightful, and there is always something interesting to do. Whether you're into outdoor activities such as hiking, mountain biking, or horseback riding, or you are looking for great eats and lively night spots, you will find it in Salvador.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!